What if I told you? The reason your bank account never seems to grow isn't because you don't make enough money. It's because of 3 habits that quietly steal your paycheck every single month. If you're doing even one of these, you're making it harder to build wealth. Habit number 1, lifestyle inflation. You get a raise, so you upgrade your apartment, buy a newer car, order takeout more often. And somehow, you're still living paycheck to paycheck. More income doesn't create wealth. Keeping more of what you earn does. Habit number 2, paying yourself. Most people pay their bills, then spend what's left, and hope they can save something at the end of the month. Here's the problem. For most people, there's never anything left. Instead, pay your future self first. Even setting aside a small amount automatically before you spend can make a big difference over time. Habit number 3, trying to look rich. Buying the newest iPhone every year. Designer sneakers. A luxury car you can barely afford. That's not wealth, that's expensive. Real wealth is having money that keeps working for you, even when you're asleep. The people who look rich aren't always the people who are rich, so ask yourself, which of these habits is costing you the most? Drop 1, 2, or 3 in the comments. And if you want simple money tips without the Wall Street jargon, hit subscribe.